Welcome to the prior demonstration of hybrid ship propulsion system power management and steering control using Arduino and LabVIEW software. In this part we are using servo motor, L298 motor driver and two 1000 RPM DC motors, and also using a Arduino Uno and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and also we are using a two inverters. So here we can see that these two inverters, this one is a single one and this one is another one, and also we can see these two inverters are we are using, and also we are using a two battery packs, and the voltage rating is 11.1 volts with a 10,000 mAh. So these batteries will be connected to the inverters. So batteries are DC supply and that will be connected to the inverters. So inverters converts the DC energy into AC energy. That AC energy will be given here. So here we can see clearly there will be a diodes. We can see here the diodes, and here we can see the diodes. So the converted DC to AC that will be given here. Here we are connecting the two diodes. So we can see these, here are the two diodes and this is the two diodes. They are connected again. So they will be form a bridge rectifier. So the converted DC to AC, here it will be converted AC to DC. The converted DC will be given to this A293D. So A298. So we are giving the 11 volts power supply, 11 volts DC power supply, converted DC power supply to this A298. So this A298 have a voltage regulator. So we can see here. So it will be take the 12 volts or 11 volts that will be step down up to 5 volts. That 5 volts will be utilized by this Arduino Uno board. So we are taking the, so here we can see this is the supply. It will be take the 5 volts power supply for the A298 using this regulator. That 5 volts will be utilized by this Arduino Uno. And also we can see this ESP Wi-Fi module is connected with the Arduino Uno with the UART communication. And so the main aim of this part is to control this project using a LabVIEW software. Now we can see the charging circuit of these batteries. We will use another cardboard here. So we can see this one. To charge these two batteries, we will use two rectifiers and two transformers, and the power supply is same. So we are providing the power supply using this power cable. So we can see using this power cable, it will be take 230 volts power supply that will be given to this parallel of this two transformers of the primary side, and we can see secondary side will be have a, it will be step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts step down voltage will be given to this rectifier. So this rectifier converts AC to DC that will be given to this battery. So here we can see this is the battery pack 1 that will be given here, and the battery pack 2 it will be given here. Now if I give the power supply using this power cable, now we can see there will be a light indication, which means these two batteries get charging. So we can see here this is a transformer, it is stepping down up to 230 volts to 12 volts that will be given to this rectifier. The rectifier converts AC to DC. The converted DC will be given to this battery charge. So these batteries are giving the input to the inverter converting the DC to AC. Again we are taking the we are converting the AC, converted AC into a DC using these four diodes. That converted DC will be given to this L293D. And using this L298 we are taking the 5 volts power supply to the Arduino Uno. So now we are moving to the LabVIEW software. So we need to charge this maximum of 4 to 5 hours or 5 to 6 hours. Then only the system will be works good. Now we need to go for the LabVIEW software in this laptop. So in the software we can see we will provide this software. We can see here this file. So we need to go for this one. Now here we can see this window will be open and we need to go for this one. So if you want to see how this window will be works, so just click on Control E. So here we can see the E option, Control E. So we can see this is the loop. This is the loop. So we can see we have to provide the IP address here, and this is a total system that will be sent to Arduino board using this Wi-Fi, laptop Wi-Fi. So for that one we need to on our mobile hotspot. So first of all we need to go for the mobile hotspot settings. So here we can see we need to set our hotspot name as a Proid 6774, and password should be 129, and frequency should be, AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. Then only this mobile hotspot will be connected to the laptop at the same time ESP module. So again we need to on the power supply for this system. For that one we need to switch on these two switches. Each inverter have one single switch, so we need to on the two inverters at the same time. So here we can see there will be three connections. One is a laptop connection, another is a ESP, this Wi-Fi module connection. So we need to identify the IP address of this network. For that one we need to go for the network analyzer app. So here we can see it is also available in the Play Store. We need to go for this one. So if we interface first time, so this is the home interface. For that one we need to go for the three lines here, and we need to choose the LAN scan. LAN scan is nothing but a local area network scan. So before the scan we need to off our Wi-Fi, then only it will be show the correct IP addresses. So here we can see one IP address express. If we need to go for this IP address, this IP address we need to paste in the system IP address. So we can see this is the IP address. Now I am taking this IP address and adding to this IP address. So we can see this IP address and this IP address is same. Then only this Wi-Fi will this system will be works. So after that just remove this one, and now we need to give the comments here. So now we need to go for the click on the arrow, and now I want to rotate this motors in a forward direction. For that one just press F and send. So we can see it's shown forward. Now I will increase the speed. For that one press I, and so we can see speed increased 25, and now we can see motors here also. Now I have given some paper tag to this shaft, so better to see the result good. Now I am sending again I, so we can see speed increased. So we can see up to 70% it will be increase the speed. Now again I am giving the speed, so we can see here. Up to it will come 255. So this is the maximum speed we can increase. So here we can see the maximum speed. So in the rotation, if I want to rotate this one in a backward direction, just press B and enter. So we can see it is rotating in a reverse direction. And also if you want to decrease the speed, just press D and enter. So we can see the speed also there, it is decreasing slowly, and we can see here also. So we can increase or decrease using the I and D commands, and also now I am increasing the speed. So this is maximum speed. So we can see here, now I am decreasing again. Now I have decreased the speed here. If I want to again I am increasing. Now I am selecting, I have to rotate this one in forward direction. I am press F and send. After that, so we can see there will be forward condition there, and after that, so it will be show the message from server. So after that only we need to increase this one. Now I have entered the I, and now increasing the speed. So we can see slowly I am sending, and these are the running. And if I want to rotate this one in the left, just press L and enter. Sorry, just press L and send. So we can see this motor will be rotating. So this will be going clockwise, and this will be rotating anti-clockwise. And now just press R, and now just send. So we can observe that one here is a right, and we can see it is rotating in the forward clockwise direction, and it is rotating anti-clockwise direction. And if I want to stop this motor, just enter the S and send. So we can see it is automatically stops. And also if I want to control the servo motor for the steering, just press R. It will be rotate for the right side. We can see servo motor. I am entering this one. Now it is disconnected. We need to connect this one again. Just reset this button, and again remove this one. So sometimes it will be stuck, and again start the process. So go for the arrow and press R, and we can see the servo motor here. It will be rotated right side, and just press capital L and then it will be rotated right side. For the left side. For the right side, we need to press the capital R. And if you want to come this one as a initial position, for that one we need to press small n. Now n, and also we can see the text there, servo right, and if I press n, it will show as a initial position. So this is the initial position, and also we can see the initial position in the message server. And also we can again we need to give the commands for the forward and increment. In the motor direction also we can control the servo motor directions. Like I am giving the shift R, capital R, and we can see the servo motor. The motors are running. At the same time we are giving the commands to the servo motor also. For the initial position, just press small n. So you can see it is in normal position, and also we can stop this one and send. And also we can see the command here. So the clarity is, so if we want to rotate these motors in left side or right side or forward or backward, we have to give the commands like a small f, small b, small l and small r. And also if you want to stop these motors, just give small s. And if you want to rotate this servo motor for the right side, give capital R. And if you want to rotate this one in a left side, just give a capital L. So if you want to rotate this servo motor as a initial position like this, just enter the small n. So in this way we will give the commands message server, and that character operation will be shown in the message server, and also these commands will be received by this Wi-Fi module. that Wi-Fi module will be given to the Arduino Uno. Then Arduino Uno control the L293D motor driver. At the same time, we can control the servo motor. So in this way, this project will be works. Thanks for the watching. So after the charging, we can remove this one also. So in this way, this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.